Whew. Get going. Where is he?
That's purpose.
Rim, you're gonna have to go straight down. It's too flat.
I'm trying to.
Here, roll your skis around. Don't try to get up yet. Just bring them around. Lay down. Yeah. Lay down and bring them around. There you go.
Right, let's go get a straight line.
No, it's deep, Rims.
I know. Let's go get a straight line.
Okay, get this one out. This is the day you need the poles. Okay, straight down.
I was going to straight.
Hit the blue run when you get there.
What? Here's the blue one?
Yeah, because they're steeper. Too much snow for these green and blues. Stay in the track. Keep going, don't stop. Nice, you're doing great, Rims. You need to go in and get some poles. No. Work on it, Remy. I can't get stuck. I'm on a snowboard. Get your skis down the hill. Uncross them. Lay down, Rim, on your belly. Lay down. Lay down, yeah, lay down.
Yo, I gotta take off his hood. Alright, do it then.
God dang it.